Hi students, today's assignment is task 1, explosions in human population. So we're going to get engaged in there and answer some questions for the engage part, and then you are going to scroll down, answer the questions here based on what it says. It says, in the liftoff task, you looked at satellite images and asked questions to begin to make sense of the phenomena of the shrinking Aral Sea. Many of you asked why this is happening and then began to make predictions that humans might be somehow at fault here, that the Aral Sea might be shrinking. So what we're going to do in this task 1 is that in this task you will explore how and why humans are having more of a presence on planet Earth, and you're going to make predictions how this might be affecting environments like the Aral Sea. So here on this side, you're looking at cause and effect, as we've discussed with our concept map that we worked on yesterday. And watch this video. After you watch this video, go ahead and answer these 2 questions in this box. Then you're going to scroll down, and I believe this is another YouTube video that you want to watch as well. And then you're going to get into the explore section. In the explore section, you're going to practice a science and engineering practice where you are going to analyze and interpret data. So you're going to look at 3 different graphs, and you're going to talk about the cause and effect, the patterns that you see. You're basically going to analyze it. But first, you got to read this paragraph right here and write your response. Scroll down. Here is your first graph that you're going to analyze, and you're going to answer 1 A, B, C questions for this graph here, and then you're going to answer number 2. You're going to continue to answer these questions, and then you're going to see another graph. Again, these are based, they're talking about explosions in population. What were the reasons that we had population increase? So take a look at this graph, read these paragraphs, answer these questions, and then you are going to look at the third graph and read about it a little bit, analyze the data, and answer these questions. See how you can do the best you can to answer, and then you're going to stop. We're not going to do explain on tomorrow, which is going to be Thursday the 28th. So we're going to stop at explain. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always email me, or if we're in class in Zoom, then you can put it in the chat and I will help you. Once you do the explore and the engage, then you are done. Please do not turn this in just yet.